Fed up with gas prices? Tired of having to stop and fill up your gas tank? Want to be more environmentally friendly? Well, what if I told you that you never needed to buy gas again? Hi, Harry here with the car of the future. Produced by General Atomics Incorporated, the GA Kalos will be with you until your dying breath. And best of all, you never need to refuel it. General Atomics' patented engine design runs on special rocks imported from Russia with such a high energy density that the car can run for decades on a single tank. How many times have you heard environmentalists complaining about carbon emissions and global warming? Well, let this car be the solution to all their woes. The car of the future produces zero carbon emissions, making it the single most environmentally friendly car in the world. Now you can own a big car without feeling like you're killing everything around you. Let my friend Gary explain some of its cutting-edge features.
Hi, Gary here. This vehicle, the car of the future, is a work of engineering genius. Power from the engine is diverted to the car itself in a series of hybrid energy radiator heated seat systems. If you've ever been cold driving in the winter, then this is the car for you. Running the heated seats will never drain your car's energy reserves because the engine is always on. In addition, the engine's immense power allows for some powerful 360-degree headlights. These headlights, due to the engine's unique design, don't need any kind of complicated circuitry or intermediate electronics. They run directly on the power of the engine's reactions. Since the headlights are always on, because the engine is always on, you will never forget to turn your headlights on in the night, and you will always be safe.
But that's not all. This car is incredibly crash safe too. The chassis of the car of the future is lined with high-density Element 82, creating a futuristic armor-like body which is capable of resisting the strongest of impacts.
IAEA has recently released some false allegations against our product, claiming that the Kalos is a danger to society and will irradiate the general population. This is a blatant falsehood, folks. There has not been a single study showing that our product is dangerous in any way. Now, don't take our word for it. Here is a world expert, here of his own volition, to tell you that the Kalos is the path to the future.
The 2016 GA Kalos is the best and safest new car America has ever seen. With the patented isotopic engines, the car can run for decades without needing to refuel. Our certified safety engineers have unanimously agreed that this car is the safest on the market. This extra protection is given by a layer of American-produced Element 82. Now stop by your local General Atomics dealership today to become part of the technological revolution.
General Atomics, bringing the future to you today.